Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Contemporary dining room ceilings serve as the crowning glory of modern design, offering a canvas for innovations and elegance. Sleek lines, minimalist design, and bold statements characterize these spaces, elevating the dining experience from comfort ceilings, exuding sophistication to minimalist recessed lighting arrangements. Each element contributes to an ambience of redefined luxury. Dramatic pendant lights suspended from high ceilings create a captivating focal point, while skylight infuse natural light, fostering a sense of openness. Textures, innovative materials such as reclaimed wood or metal panels bring an industrial edge, blending seamlessly with contemporary aesthetics. Integrated sound systems and smart lighting solutions offer both functionality and modern flair, enhancing the dining atmosphere. Where adorned with geometric patterns or left bare for a minimalist allure. Contemporary dining room ceilings set the stage for memorable gatherings and culinary experience, where style meets substance in perfect harmony. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.